we have Naga issue ongoing right now. There is a talk going on, and Naga people, civil society organizations observe the 75th Naga Declaration of Independence as a in order to remind the government of India to resolve the outstanding issue. And in doing so, we have printed some flags, and we were displaying that the police confiscated those flags in the early morning. And when the civil society went to demand the return of the flag, because the police people were not hand the flag of a community, they were just stacking everything in the sack and they're throwing here and there. So we said that the flag is even at the moment the talk that is going on, the outstanding issue is on flag and constitution. Naga talk that is going on. So when they don't respect the flag, even with the government of India at the level of OC, and the OC do not cooperate, when civil society went to the police station to demand the return, the OC delayed, and the people stood there in the rain for 1.5 hours. And he went on delaying, then the people got impatient and protest. However, with the intervention of the civil society leaders, the DC, the SP, we managed to resolve after a prolonged protest. And the police also acted very swiftly by firing tear gases and wounded the nearby villages. Near the police station, there are several villages. So now 2-3 people are wounded by tear gas outside, not within the protest group, but near neighboring villages. In this connection, I would like to also add that in the set administration, for the first time in history, in 75 years, have issued an order to all the villages to hoist flag compulsorily in the village. I think constitutionally we have the obligation to hoist the flag or not to hoist. That is not a mandate of the constitution that every household should do that. So the government of Manipur has done that in 4 districts, hill districts of Manipur. Whereas it has instruction, I don't know where it has gone in the valley area or not. So according to this, the civil societies of Chandel also have received notification from UNC that there will be total shutdown from today's midnight till the midnight of 15. So we are also going to cooperate with that.